Hello, Bindi babes. What's up? Welcome to my channel. Well, I wanted to get in here and give you a quick little sneak peek of what Joe's up to. Yes, Joe Martin with Boxycharm. He is in New York City this week, and he said he'd be back. He was working on some new brand collaborations, and he did an Instagram story that featured two brands. And I got so excited by these brand names, I had to show it to you. So let me show you the clip first, and then we will talk. Yes, Natasha Denona. More Natasha Denona. Oh, that would be wonderful. This is the Metropolis palette. This is a $129 palette. I don't think we'd see that in a Boxycharm box, but you never know. Now, Natasha Denona also has the Sunrise palette. This size palette is usually around $65. That is a possibility. Also, what about a face palette? We've also gotten one of those before. The one you're looking at here is the tan bronze and glow palette. Just beautiful face palettes. And also, what about these 5-pan palettes? We've seen these in the premium box, the cranberry one. Well, this is the coral one. There's so many possibilities, but I am ready for more Natasha Denona. Now, what about Dior? Oh my God, Dior! I'm so excited. What does this mean? Does this mean fragrance? This is Dior's new fragrance, Rose Roses. Or could it mean possibly some makeup from Dior? You've got different price ranges. You have palettes. This is the Backstage palette, which is very, very good product because lots of people are purchasing it. Now, could we see something else like a mascara? Their mascaras are amazing, I hear. I don't have any Dior products. So what do you think, Bindi babes? Could we possibly be seeing Dior? I think we might be. Every time he shows us something like this, it might not be today, it might not be next month. Sometimes when he makes these deals with brands, it takes several months down the line to start seeing the products in the box. But Boxycharm is always pushing it. Joe never sits down and is lax about his product. He is always trying to get better, always striving to do better. And that's what I love about Boxycharm. If anybody's interested in joining the Charmer family, I have all the information below. And don't forget, tonight's the live. I got to go get ready. We're having a live program on Kendy Jane Beauty. Please come. We're going to have fun. We're going to look at some new channels. We're going to also do some chatting, catching up on things. And we're going to play the number game at the end and try to win a few prizes. And don't forget our February giveaway with that Tati palette. I'm giving away 2 Tati textured neutrals palettes, as well as an Amarizi Anastasia Beverly Hills palette and a Morphe Icy Fantasy palette. It's almost the last day is tomorrow, so I'll link the video up above if you want to watch to get in this giveaway. It's very easy. Please remember to hit that subscribe button. Please share out this video, and thank you all for watching. I love each and every one of you guys. Bye.
What's it like to be the one that he turns to when he's out of answers? What's it like to be the one that he comes to when he wants to dance? And I wonder what's that like? What's it like to hold his hand when he